Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. I'm Dave Matthews. What we're showing you today, and take note if you're in the sanitary industries, especially our pharmaceutical, nutritional, cosmetic, food customers, this is a Meto drum lift. It's especially used in the pharmaceutical industry. As you can see, this cradle is designed for a smaller size drum. This has 150 kilo capacity, and the great thing about it, it's all air operated, of course, completely portable. It has swivel casters in the back, straight in the front. It does have a floor lock system, which is pneumatically operated. The cool thing about this is as it goes up, it begins to start its rotation already. When it gets to the top, it will complete its rotation. This one's only about a 5-foot discharge height, so very popular, you know, with loading things like coating pans or related pharmaceutical equipment. It's got a small fiber drum in there just to give you an illustration of size. It does have a safety chain to hold it in place. And these right here up in the top of the cradle, you see there's a little, stop here, there's a little flat on the end, so you can actually unscrew and remove these if you'd like, if you had an issue with a larger or taller drum. We have lots of these in our stock, all types of material handling equipment, processing, packaging for the sanitary industry especially. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.